Hey Ressio users, today I want to walk you through navigating Mason, where you can find it. Also give you a brief overview of what Mason can do. You want to think of as Mason as your project assistant. So as you can see, I am in a project. So just to be clear, Mason does pull from your individual projects one at a time. So let's say you're in on your project, I'm in on my mountain cabin. And up the top left-hand corner, you're going to find a button for Ask Mason. So I'm going to go ahead and open Mason. Now, before I ask a question, you can get to Mason also with a Command Shift and M. For a shortcut, you can also, down here, this is where you're going to type in your question, and then you'll also see a microphone. So you can start recording your voice on the desktop as well as in the field on the project overview and when you are doing your daily logs. To start the recording, you're going to click it, start talking, and then click it again to stop recording. Also hitting the send button a little early will also cut the recording. So you'll also see you can start a new conversation if you want to start fresh, as well as you can see history. Something else I want to go over, we will, there is an option to send some feedback to us so we know how Mason is working for you. But let's get into a quick little of look at what Mason can do for you. So I'm going to literally ask, what can Mason do? So I'm going to go ahead. So what can Mason do? Well, Mason can help you run a custom home built remodel project, answer questions, pull project data with your confirmation, create update project records, and here's what else it can do and what's available. So it's broken it up into project costs and financials, schedule and field execution, task management and to-dos, communication and people, and utilities. So as you can see here, down here in the left-hand corner below what was the Mason just sent me, you will see send feedback. So you can give a thumbs up, thumbs down. You can also copy your response if you want to send an email to someone. But I just want to let you know that it's, clicking this or down will give us a, let us know that what you think of it. So please, let us know how it's working for you. We do appreciate your feedback, and we can't make something better if we don't know what it needs to, how it needs to get better. So before I go, I also want to let's take a look on a project level. Let's say you, want to know the know health or the context, summarize what's going on with the project. You're gone for a day or two, and you want to know what's going on. So, can you give me a quick summary? I'm going to get rid of this actually. Quick summary of the project. So what Mason has done, gave me a quick summary for this project basics, gave me the stage it's in, the location, contract type, financial snapshot. This is a locked estimate, schedule snapshot, which is like a high level of what's going on with the schedule, what's coming up, kind of giving me a timeline, and then approvals and key docs. So it's letting me know my change order, selection, proposal. Now down here, I want to make note, if you want, I can summarize what's coming up next in a few 2 or 3 weeks. This is where you can kind of make it your own. You can ask follow-up questions. You can ask Mason to tweak it for you. You could do something like any recent changes. Oops. And as you can see, I didn't even add question mark. It recognizes mistakes. And it says, yes, here are the most recent log changes, and it'll give you what has changed, what the activity is. So this is a pretty amazing feature, and I think that the best way to learn is to go for it and start asking Mason what it can do. Remember, up here at the top left-hand corner, please give feedback. You do have your microphone down here, and then your send button. Any questions, please reach out to your customer success coach or support. Appreciate it.